Good morning student. Welcome to online classes. Student, today we are going to turn on class 3rd subject math exercise 2nd. First of all, today we will get study to get about the expanded form. So let's see the first question of your book in exercise 2nd. This is your first question. Write the numerals of the number names. Question number first, 7,300 7,000 184. Okay. Now this is a place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay. What is here? 7,000, 300, 384, 84. Okay. Now the number names. 7,384. Answer will be 7,384. Okay. Now the next question, 222. Question number 2nd. Number 2, 222. Okay. Now the chart. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. What 100? 200, 20. This is 10 place. 2. This is 1 place. 222. Your answer is 222. Okay. Now the next part. $4,930. 4,000 4,930. Okay. Now make a place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay. Now 4,000, here 1000 place 4 and 900, 100 is here 9, 30, 30 what 0. Okay, then your answer is 4930, 4930. Now the next part, 1516. Please write down on your notebook. $1,516 Then make a place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. This is 100, 1 is here, sorry, 1,000, 1,500, 16, 16. Okay, your answer will be 1516. 1516. This is your answer. Now the next part. $9,800. $9,800. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 9,000. 1000 is here and 800. 100, yani it means this is 0. Okay, your answer is 9800. I hope it is clear. Now the next question, write the number names. It means अब आपको नंबर्स के नेम लिखने हैं, इसका मतलब जस्ट इसका अपोजिट. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Second question is is a 4-digit number. How can we read this number? This number can be read as ones, tens, thousand, 100,000. Okay. Ones, tens, 100,000. Put the value. 7 is here, 6 is 10 place, 5 is 100 place, and 4 is 1000 place. Okay. How can we written this number in words? Read this number is left side. 4,567. 4,567. Okay. Now the next question. 9097. 9097. Ones, tens, 100,000. 7 is here. 9 is 10 place. 0 is 100 place. And 9 is 1000 place. Okay. How can be written this number in words? Ones, tens, 100,000, 9,097. Okay. Now the next question. 1420. 1420. Ones, tens, 100,000, 0, 2, 4, 1. Ones, tens, 100,000, 1,420, 1,420. Okay. Now the next part. Eight, 0, 1, 0. Ones, tens, 100,000. 0 is ones place, 1 is tens place, 0 is 100 place, and 1000 place 8. Okay. Ones, tens, 100,000, 8,000. 8,010. 8,010. Now the next part. Six, 6505. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 5 is 1 place, 0 is 10 place, 5 is 100 place, and 6 is 1000 place. 6,505. 6,505. 5. Okay. I hope it is clear, student. Now the next question number 3. Count the beads on the abacus and write the numbers. So please looking at book. Question number 3. This is a abacus, okay, and ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones is here, 1, 2, 3, 3. Tens, 1, 100, 2, and thousand, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is fill up, and this is your homework. Okay, question number 3 and question number 4. आपको इसमें इट मीन्स आपको इसमें बताना है कि वंस प्लेस पे क्या वैल्यू होगी, टेंस पे क्या होगी, 100 पे और 1000 पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में आपको अबेकस को काउंट करना है और फिलअप को फिल करना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में भी आपसे यही कह रहा है, ड्रॉ द बीड्स ऑन द अबेकस अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर गिवन. आपको नंबर दिया है और आपको उस ये जो नंबर्स लाइन दी हुई हैं इस पे आपको अबेकस को ड्रॉ करना है. यहाँ पे जैसे 5000 की जगह पे तो यहाँ पे कितने अबेकस होंगे, 5, फिर 4, फिर 0, फिर 0. इस तरह से आपको ये 4 क्वेश्चन दिए हैं. 4 क्वेश्चन इसको आपको अपनी कॉपी में ड्रॉ करके और करना है. ओके. Now student, today class 3rd, that's why this ends. Tomorrow we'll meet again with a new exercise 3. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.